best way to be.
Hello, and welcome to MicChickens. I am here to take your order.
I think I'm gonna like this place.
I'm starving and ready to eat. Well, what would you like?
What's this?
Start with the number 5, the number 20, and the number 225. Huh?
I love messing with people.
Just kidding. Okay. On a serious note, let's start with an Oreo milkshake. Oh, I'm sorry. We don't have milkshakes.
Aww, not the milkshakes. I thought it was gonna be a good day for Harold.
Aww, that makes me sad. What about pink lemonade? Oh, yikes. We're kind of out of that too.
Oh no, here we go again.
I think I'm up now. I'm getting a little disgusted.
Seriously? What do you have? Would you like a Coca-Cola Starlight?
Ugh, jeez, really? Ew.
No! Disgusting. Are you kidding me? I don't know what to tell you. What about food?
Oh no. Oh gosh. Oh boy. Something's happening. Red alert!
How about a McChicken? I'm terribly sorry, but we're out of chicken.
Alert! Alert! Red alert!
What? You ordered a chicken? The name of the restaurant is McChicken! What can I say? It's been a rough day. A busload of children from Spencer Borden just cleaned us out.
Thank God.
2.
Oh no! Oh no! Here we go! Right. Oh.
3, 2.
Thank God.
Quiet on the set. 3, 2. Okay, cut.
Okay, let's start with the number 20 and number 2.
Michael, are you in character already? Look at Michael, he's like, I'm ready. Wait a minute. That's like a baby crawling or something.
Aww, that makes me sad.
Don't look at the camera, do it again.
I look at the camera, I screwed up.